Another fancy function is the Shape tool. It allows you to draw geometric shapes like cone, cylinder, sphere, sector right away. Another useful tool is the Ruler tool. The ruler can be used to measure the parameters of different shapes. You can adjust its length as you want. The Protractor tool can be used to measure angles. Simply by tapping at the scale area, and you can easily find out the accurate angle. With the triangular ruler, you can draw a perfect straight line. And the Compasses tool, which helps you to draw a perfect circle. Another handy tool is the Chart tool. You can define the rows and columns, and it will generate a chart right away. For brainstorming, you can use the flowchart. By tapping at the cell, you can import another new cell with arrow. There is also a Note tool for taking notes. You can change its color and size as you need.